All right, let's do this salmon video. All right, so first things first, I'm going to start out with a little bit of salt. Of course, that's going to happen. And once you've gotten the salt to taste or to liking, you can go ahead and start with the pepper. I'm just doing some real basic pepper, real basic salt, nothing too crazy here. Alright, and pepper again to taste or to liking. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to grab one of these lemons, give it a nice little cut. Do that one in the air. Actually could have done that whole thing in the air. And get some fresh lemon juice. Squeeze that. Again to taste, but I like a lot of lemon on my salmon, so get a little bit of everything. Here we go, about half a lemon should be good. Squeeze it out. We're gonna let this marinate actually for a little bit before we throw it on the grill. Then we can throw that back down. It's kind of a garnish or just to look cool in the background. These are my personals. I do like parsley. I like a lot of greens on my salmon. I'm not sure if you guys enjoy that, but if you do, parsley. I do basil leaves. So we can go a little bit more on that. Very fresh. I'm not going to use lime on this, but oregano probably being my favorite of all of them. Get a good amount of oregano on there. If it looks a little bit too green, you'll see what I'm going to do here at the end. Bay leaves. This is probably just overkill at this point on the leaves, but yeah, this is more of a garnish. I'll leave these on the side and we'll put those kind of at the very end. It's more of a garnish than anything, but I guess it gives a little bit of seasoning, a little bit of flavor. Yeah, we'll use all of them. Not all of them, but we'll use a good amount of them. Alright, so probably the non-traditional stuff would be the sesame seeds. I'll use this more of a garnish. It will kind of get around on the plate. We'll see that at the end once everything is plated. Soy sauce. Not sure how many people like soy sauce on their salmon, but I just love it. It's great. Not too much. And then a little bit of teriyaki. You don't want to do overkill, especially on this part. You just want to do like a little bit. But we'll see what that looks like. Here we go. Alright, there we go, some teriyaki. And then what we'll need to do is we'll come back to the lemons and we'll put the lemons and it looks like we might be able, yeah, there we go. So we got lemons on all of them. And then if we're going to garnish all the way, we do have some parsley and cilantro. This being the parsley. Actually, we'd probably put this underneath. Put a little bit, tuck it underneath. Get some more from over here. Tuck it underneath and just use the lemon to kind of hold it all together in place there. Let's see if we can get some more. There we go. Lots of leaves. Alright, I think that's good. And then we'll just take a little bit of cilantro and kind of tuck it in where we can. Probably overkill on the greens. Anyways, none of this is going to make it to the grill. It just kind of gets it a little aromatic feel. Hopefully my arm's not too much in the way there. Anyways, this is pretty messy now. But I'm going to go ahead and put this in aluminum foil, seal it up, and then we'll put it on the grill after that. And then if you really wanted, we can put the bay leaves on now. Anyways, just probably overkill on the garnish. We'll get a nice little photo, little prep photo, and then we'll be ready to grill it. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is transfer it from the fridge to the grill and do it on this side. We'll go ahead and we'll keep this all covered up for at least a little bit. Set that down. I'm going to check on it. So it's getting that pink color that we want. Let it go on for probably about 5-6 more minutes and then that'll be it. It should be just perfect. Alright, now it's time to take it off the Blackstone and we'll kind of see what it looks like. And that's the perfect, little bit of bubbles. You'll see that it's, I got a bunch of lights going, so it's a little hard to see the color. Actually, I won't do that in the next video. And of course, we got the hungry hippo sitting right there. Banished to the garage, huh, bud? Anyways, we're gonna take this off and it should be plated and perfect. All right, time to get this plated. Let's see how well I can get this. Let's see. Let me get them off here first. And then this is what it looks like plated for the single one for wifey. She'll take that to work. And then I'll eat this one right now. We'll grab some pictures, but pretty good.